In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam App Configuration Unavailable error. This message usually points to cache data or a server connection hiccup inside Steam. And I'll walk through a clean sequence to refresh those components without reinstalling anything. Start by fully closing Steam. Don't just close the window, exit it from the system tray so it's not running in the background. It's a good idea to confirm it's closed by checking your task manager and making sure no Steam processes are left. Now open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder. By default, that's on the C drive under Program Files x86. Then Steam and then the App Cache folder. Inside App Cache, find the file named appinfo.vdf and delete it. This file stores cached app configuration data, and it's safe to remove because Steam will recreate it. Launch Steam again. On startup, Steam will rebuild that cache and perform a fresh check of your app configurations, which often clears the error right away. If you still see the message, open Steam and go to Settings. Then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This flushes potentially corrupted temporary data that can interfere with configuration checks. Be aware that clearing the cache may sign you out of Steam. So be ready to log back in afterward. Once Steam restarts, try accessing your library again to see if the error is resolved. Next, while you are still in Settings under Downloads, change your download region to a different nearby location. This step refreshes your connection to Steam's content servers and can bypass a problematic route. Pick a region close to you. Apply the change and restart Steam if prompted. You can switch back later. But for now, the goal is to establish a clean, responsive server connection. If a specific game is still affected, verify the integrity of its files. Go to your library. Right-click the game, select Properties. Open Installed Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for missing or corrupted files and re-download anything that doesn't match. This can take a few minutes depending on the game size. And it requires an active internet connection. When it finishes, launch the game again to confirm the error is gone. Follow these steps in order. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.